And you said, if we're going to do all the work, yeah, of course. I'm going to be on my hands and knees myself, but at the end of the day, what it is stroking a huge check for the equipment. I'm going to call him back at the same number he dialed us from.
You have reached Raymond Mordecai. Leave your message and I will get back to you as soon as I can.
Oh, maybe he'll call while we're on the phone. Oh, there's Ray Mordecai. Hey, Ray.
Hey, who's this?
My name's Danny.
Okay, hello. Can you hear me?
Every word.
Okay, you're the bad connection. Hold on. Okay, can you speak again?
Hi.
No good.
Then he hangs up.
No, God!
He's calling back again. Hi.
Much better. Hello?
We did it.
There's something wrong with your phone or my phone. I don't think it's my phone. I've been talking all day.
Yeah, I'm sitting in my office, so I don't know what to tell you.
I can't hear a word you're saying.
I have two numbers for you. I have your cell phone and I have your work number. Is there a number that's better?
Now I hear you. You must have done something. Now I hear you perfectly.
I'm standing on one foot.
Okay, good. All right. Who am I speaking to?
My name's Danny.
Okay.
You spoke to my partner briefly in reference to in the Bronx. There's a coin laundromat out there. That's what we do. I've got 36
correct.
stores in the tri-state area. If rent makes sense, we'll throw a mill two into this place and new equipment and pay you the rent.
It's happening again. Oh boy, started happening again. And I'm outside, so let me call you from the other number. Let me try calling you
Thanks.
on Arabic.
Okay, let's try him again.
Hello?
Raymond.
Oh, okay. Now I hear you perfect.
Lovely.
So you said you have 36 stores in the tri-state area. Under what brand is that operating?
All my stores are different. My thing is fairly simple. We look for existing infrastructure precisely like this one in the Bronx. If, in fact, we can strike a lease deal, the preponderance of them, they're all under different LLCs. There's no national chain in laundromats. I can email you. You can crawl up our ass. I can show you where my locations are, etc. At the end of the day, there's 37.
We'll get there. We don't have to.
Sure.
Yeah, we don't have to do today. I mean, eventually we'd like that, but so we don't have to get there yet today.
Sure. We want to make sure you're not crazy on the rent, and we have the wherewithal to understand how to operate this place successfully. And I don't know, a lot of times these laundries go away because the powers that be, they want to collect commensurate rent for the area, not for a laundromat. And those things don't really meet anywhere but in the center where you have to lower your standards a little bit. And the big difference with us, Raymond, the equipment cost, I'm dragging that debt service through the entire lease because I don't intend to end up in the same boat. This guy couldn't pay the rent because he didn't renew, he didn't retool. It's not just about painting the walls or having coat drives. It's really the everything. And this is 1.5 without breaking a sweat on this retool. And that doesn't scare us as long as the rent makes sense, if it's commensurate for a laundromat. What's the square footage and what's your ask?
7,300 square feet approximately. And asking is $30 per square foot.
Can you start at $20 a square foot?
I mean, we're asking $18,000 a month, and that comes to $12,000 a month. My short answer is I doubt it. But if somebody's coming in and doing all of the work, and we can have a conversation based on that. But again, I don't negotiate for the landlord. We're 6 days into the listing. And, I'd like to, get something submitted, have somebody view it. I mean, I'm sure your partner would want to view it.
Yeah, we've seen it. We saw it when it was operating. I have my finger on the pulse of these stores. At the end of the day, we're after infrastructure, and it's there. And you said, if we're going to do all the work, yeah, of course. I'm going to be on my hands and knees myself. But at the end of the day, what it is stroking a huge check for the equipment. Let me guess, you don't go to laundromats. I don't go to laundromats, except my own stores to collect cash. So at the end of the day, these knuckleheads, they buy these places, they're behind the eight ball because of the purchase. I'm already a leg up because I'm not buying the space. We don't provide key fees. I don't want to be negative. I don't want to talk about what I don't do. What we do is get out of your hair, hands off, out of sight, you get the rent check. But we need abatement up front. This is a big store. And my eyes aren't so big that I say, I'm going to get rich. It's going to take 5-6 years to even break even on this place, even in rented space. But you got a guy that's willing to say, Go ahead.
Yeah. So look, I am not the decision maker. I am just the broker. And so again, right now I have 2 phone calls from a guy named Mike and a guy named Dan. So
Mike
right
is
now,
is my
put something in
partner.
writing.
My name is Danny. So that's
I'm
the same entity.
Danny. No. I'm just saying that what I know right now is these 2 guys. But if you have to send me something in writing with your proposal,
Good.
what you want to pay, tell
Raymond,
me more about your company.
The only thing I need is your email, and I'll send you a letter of intent. We'll put it all in black and white.
Raymond Mordecai. I'm sorry.
No, that's my cell phone's the only number I need. Text me your email address. Give us 24 hours. We'll put something together.
No rush. Okay.
Thanks.
Include some stores you own in New York.
You got it.
Thank you, sir. Bye-bye.
Right. So he said it himself. He's not the decision maker. Blibbity blobbity blue. You know, at the end of the day, he didn't say no to 20. He didn't slam the phone down at 20. He wants a letter of intent. He already sent me his email address. Do you already have it?
No, because it got cut off when he said he would just send it to you.
Good. Write the letter of intent at $20. Ask for the abatement. Stop calling these people and talking to them because you heard them. I got a guy named Mike. Vetting the number, if you have a telephone number that's on a list, and he said, it's been listed 3 days. I'm buying a $500,000 house right now, and I'm a negotiator, so I'm dealing with these people. Is it worth $500K? It doesn't really matter. It matters what I want to pay and the work they've done. I'm going to put my daughter in this house. So guess what? Everything's been redone. The floors, the ceiling, the roof. You know what's great? The windows. They redid the fucking windows. The house was built in 1995. So you look at that, you go, wow, that's a really good flip. Putting a new air conditioner in, a new roof in, all of those things. But doing the windows, to me, a father, the son of a contractor, I know what that means. They really did it right. We're not going to be finding termites. Right. We're not going to be finding roof leaks or anything because they redid the window. And I'm trying to explain to my kid who's 20, I'm explaining to my wife, like, look, we do a full price offer right now. We're going to get robbed because of the market. The market has something to do with that. But then again, they're selling condos around the corner in Cave Creek, Arizona for $650,000. This place has a pool. It's brilliant. It's perfect for her. So it works for me. I need more write-off. She's going to pay me half of the mortgage and rent, and I'll write the other half off if it works. But I don't fall in love with any of this stuff. That's my daughter's thing. It's my wife's thing to go in there and say, oh my God, it's wonderful. I say, look, they did it right. It's a good, solid first home. And if it works, it works. If not, I don't lose sleep over this shit. It's not the way it works.
Right. I've never done a letter of intent with you. This will be my first one. I'm assuming you're going to send me a mock, I'm assuming?
Yep.
Okay.
You don't send it to him. I'm going to look it over. We don't send it the same day. We don't try to impress him by sending it in an hour. I'm going to look over all of it before you send it. It's a generic letter of intent. It's all in there. Everything, including adorable little instructions.
I'm pretty sure this hot water heater's got a few more good years